Hey YouTube, this is the official Wolfers. I'm Chris, and I'm here with Will this time, but he's not going to do any other talking, and if he does, then I wouldn't know about it. But today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to download Ubuntu onto a DVD, and then run it from the DVD to dual boot, and basically that's it. But first off, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to the internet. First what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to Start. You're going to want to go to Computer, go to System Properties, and look at your system type, which is located right about here. I'm on an HP, but it doesn't matter, it'll always be right there. Now, I'm running off of a 64-bit operating system, which mine means it can take more HD quality than a 32-bit. 32-bit's more, mostly just older computers. Mine's fairly new, not that new. But you're going to need that in the future. So what you're going to do is go to the internet, go to Ubuntu.com, go to Download, click Ubuntu Desktop. Now, for this installation, or to get this Ubuntu, you do not need 12.04. I strongly do not recommend using 12.04. The only reason they have 12.04 out still is so that you can get the Windows installer and run it without the disk. But that way it's harder, and on some computers it just does not work, and it can make your computer like really slow. So I do not recommend getting the Windows installer and using that one, but it's your choice. So, but that's basically what that is. Here's the 13.04. This is where your 32 or your system type comes in. What you do is you pull your system type back up. You look at your system type. You select your system type. For instance, mine is 64-bit. You click Ubuntu 13.04. And it's supposed to come up with a pop-up. Okay, yeah. What you do from here, unless you want to make donations, you keep it the way it is, or you can raise the price. But what I'm doing for right now is just a tutorial, so I'm not going to donate this time. Just do this if you don't want to donate. And you click Download. And then your pop-up will come up right here. I don't know why it's saying hours. I downloaded the first time off of the Internet Explorer, but when you download it, you want to save it to your desktop. I'm going to cancel it because I already got it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna not open it. Not save and open, but save as. And then save it to your desktop. Save it to your desktop, which is mine right here. And then you want to go back to the internet. Go to infrarecorder.org, not .com, because they got something else on the .com now, but it's now .org to get to this part. Then you go over here to the right. You click on Downloads. And then you click, this is where your bit comes in again. If you have a 32-bit, you want to click the first installer. But if you have a 64-bit, you're going to want to click this one. But I've already installed that. I clicked that one since I am a 64-bit. Then, once you get that downloaded, save the install wizard to your desktop. So once you install it, you go to your Start, you go to All Programs. You find your folder, there's mine, and it will have the icon in here. What you do is you drag it out onto your desktop. I'm sorry if you can hear my TV. But once you got those two installed, what you're going to want to do, I had a lot of problems the first time I tried to figure this out, and I finally figured out that you have to run this as an administrator now. I don't don't know why, but now it's like that. But first off, you need to make sure you have a DVD. You know you'll have a DVD because it'll say on the front DVD, I think, plus RW, and then under it it'll say like 4.37 gigs, I think. I'm not quite sure that's right, but it'll say gigabytes. And then you pop that into your disk tray, and then you go to, now if it's got something on it, you can actually take one of your old DVD videos, like you put something on it, take that. I'm going to show you how to delete it if you don't need it. What you do is you go to Start, you go to Computer, you pop your CD in with whatever it's got on it. Mine already has the Ubuntu on it. What you do is you right click that DVD when it pops up, you click Format. Just give it a second, my DVD's got it, okay. And here it is, yep, 4.37 gigabytes. You need to make sure it says that right there, because a CD will not work. I've already tried it. Then you click Restore Device Defaults, and then before you click Start, you want to remove your volume label. Don't type anything in the volume label, just remove it. And then, it doesn't matter if you want to click Format, I kept it checked, and I said, then you click Start, and it'll format and erase everything, and you have your disk good to go. And once you got your disk in there, wow, yeah, okay. Once you got your disk in there, you right click on Info Recorder. Now I had to figure this out the hard way. You run it as an administrator. Then you click Write Image. And you find your ISO, because ISO is an image format. You click on it, you click Open. You want to go to your write speed, click Maximum, go to 2.4 times, and leave everything as it is. Now, one thing, this is important, if you do not run this program as administrator, this right here will all be grayed out just like that. You can't do nothing about it, but that's why you need to run it as an administrator. Then you click OK, and then it's going to go through this little format. It's going to go through another format. You let it delete. If it says it finds something else in the CD, you let it delete it. Then it'll buffer the ISO into there, into this CD. And then once you got your CD installed, what you do is you close. You shut down your computer. Keep your disk in there. Code on your computer, and then it will automatically load through the disk, and it will automatically set you up. Now, the first time I did it, I didn't install it and keep it as my system operator. I just tried it. And you can retry it if you don't want to make it your permanent system operator. Well, that's it for now. If this video helped, please subscribe. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to comment or email us, and I'll provide our email in the description. Thanks again for watching. Peace off.